Hey there, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Walgreens to take advantage of my $5 off of $25 purchase, plus this spend 20 get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Yes, you guys, super stoked, super excited, especially on that laundry deal that I grabbed. So let's get into this video without further ado. And you know, I do this every time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below if you guys know of any other deals. And now let's get into this video. So for our first item today, it wasn't tagged in my store, but they are on promotion for $2.99. When you buy 2 of them, you will be getting back a $4 registry reward. So you buy 2 of them at $4.99, that'll equal you $5.98. I don't know about all accounts, but both of my accounts also had a $3 off of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon that I went ahead and clipped to my account, which made my new total only $2.98, and then I got back that $4 registry reward, which made this like a $1.02 moneymaker. For our next item, you guys, I went ahead and grabbed these almighty packs, the 19 count. Be careful because the liquid is also on sale for the $2.88. But if you're going to use that paper coupon that came in last week's flyers, for the $2 off, making it only 88 cents, it did not attach to the liquid all. It only attached to the pods. I think it was only for the pods, but I didn't read the fine print. I went to the register with the liquid and it didn't attach, so I just had to run back and grab the pods. But yeah, if you're going to use that $2 coupon, you have to have the pods. If you're going to use the digital coupon, I think you can use either or. If you don't have that $2 paper coupon, there is also a $1 off digital coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your account, only making this $1.88, which is still a pretty good deal in my book for some all liquid laundry soap. The next item I went ahead and grabbed was these Scott paper towels. They're on a promotion or on sale this week. Buy one, get one 50% off. So you buy one at $5. The other one will be $2.50, making that $7.50. And there is a $1 off of 1 Scott toilet tissue. That's digital. You can go ahead and clip to your account. But if you have an account with Scott, you can also print a 50 cents coupon. Alright, you guys, so this is our receipt for everything that we bought today. There's the 2 Scott paper towels, the Downy. I got 2 Downies, the Simply Pods, the Downy Unstoppable Fresh, the 2 Colgates, the Almighty Packs, the Snuggle, and these are all the coupons I used at 5 off of 25, the $2 paper coupon that I told you guys about, the Colgate $3 off digital coupon, the Snuggle. I had $1.50 off of Snuggle coupon on my account, so that was glad that one came off instead of the $1. $1 off for the Simply Liquid Pods, and $1 off for the Downy Unstoppables, and that $1 off for the Scott all digital coupons minus that $2 off for the all, but there is a $1 digital coupon that you guys can clip to your account. So my total was $12.74. If you don't have that $2 one, your total will be $13.74. And after tax was $14.30. And I got back the 5,000 points for the spend 20, get back 5,000 points. That was a 75% savings. And I also got back that $4 registry reward for buying those 2 Colgate Total toothpastes, you guys. So all in all, I got back I spent $14.30 after tax, and I got back $9. So you can say I spent out of pocket after all my rebates $5.30. Not too shabby. Alright, you guys, thanks for hanging with me and coming on my adventure. I really do appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you don't know how to subscribe and you're on your phone, just turn your phone upright. You see that red subscribe, hit it and turn it gray. You can also hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!